Hello, we are going to look at one of the problem called contains duplicate. This is lead code 219. Here we are given a numeric array. So let's say my array is 1, 2, 3, 1 and k is equal to 3. Then we need to find two values which are equal and whose distance is less than or equal to k. So here, let's say we have two ones. This has index 0 and this has index 3. So if we subtract, let's say I say this is I and this is j. J minus I is equal to 3, which is less than equal to k. So this is a perfect solution. Now, if I have another example, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, and k is equal to 2. Then I have these and these, which are indexes 0 and 3. So 3 minus 0 is greater than k. This is not a solution. I have these two again. These are indexes 1 and 4. So 4 minus 1 is greater than k, not a solution. Okay, so that way we need to find the solution to this problem. So this is pretty simple. What we need is we need a hash map to store the value and its index. So we will have a for loop. So let's take an example of this one. 1, 2, 3, 1 and k is equal to 3. We will create a hash map. Okay, run a loop from 0 to length minus 1. We will check if 1 is found in the map. It's not present, so 1, 0. Is 2 present? No, so 2. This is 3 present? No, 3, 2. Is 1 present? Yes, it is. So if 1 is present, what is the index of the previous one, which is 0? So let's say I say this is 0 and the current index is, let's say, I. So I minus previous index, I am going to check. If it is less than or equal to k, return true. Else we will continue, okay, until we exhaust the loop. So this is the problem. So let's say we didn't find, we will keep on adding to the map, and this if condition will return a true. If this loop ends here at the end, we can return a false. So let's say we will have a for loop, okay, for I equal to 0 to length minus 1, right? And inside the for loop, I will check if map contains array I, okay, and if it contains, then is I minus index of found value is less than equal to k. If it does, return true, and okay, we can say return true. Okay, else add to map this value, and if we come here, return false. So if you should not be coming out of the loop, because you should be able to return a true if you find any combination. If you exhaust the loop, I think you will come here and you should return a false. That is all.